Hello everyone, good morning. So now today I did not have a breakfast. I'm planning to take a juice. कारण because तिथे वहाँ पे नूडल्स थे. सुबह सुबह नूडल्स कौन खाएगा? So I skipped it. Now I'll look for any juice or coconut water. Let's go. Today's day is gonna be super confident, super positive, super cool. Let's go. This lovely air, ना इतनी अच्छी हवा आती है सुबह सुबह. एक तो you feeling good और ऊपर से this मौसम adds up चार चांद and it's wonderful. To all those people who wants to do a course related to AI technology and HR recruitment. It's not only for HRs, but it is for those who want to break into the field. So it's gonna be so good. You guys should register for the upcoming live demo. They have their live demo arranged, and after that you can decide to go for a course. It's very good. चलो मैं पहुंच गई, काम शुरू करते हैं. दिन की शुरुआत तो चाय से ही होनी चाहिए, which is very unhealthy, but I am very hungry today. I wanted to eat something. Have you done like this? I love doing this. Do you also feel कि what if everybody stop doing what they do every day? Like the cycle, they repeat every day, no? What if we stop doing that? What if we don't go to work? What if we don't wake up? Wake up as in we don't go out of our bed. Things like that. What would happen? I wonder. But you need routine, you need cycle. Our brain, our bodies are made to survive only with cycles. If you stay like that doing nothing, I don't think that would be fun anymore. It's okay it's okay for like 1 to 2 hours, not more than that. खुद ही आंसर दे देती हूँ मैं, because I know nobody will answer this for me. Morning thoughts. Well, there are so many thoughts I have today, which I sorted block-wise. Let's face work first. पहला काम देखते हैं, फिर I also think it matters in which city you are, because I started here and I always have this mood not to go to office, and I wake up grumpy. Why morning happen? Why morning things? And I question 7 बजे जाना है. This has never happened to me before. I used to happily wake up for office. I used to go, get ready. Now I don't feel like getting ready, and I just pick whatever I want to wear. I don't know, it's because of the location or whatsoever. But done. कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ों का आंसर ना ही मिले तो भी ठीक है, और अगर फिगर आउट करता हो तो भी ठीक है. विच एवर इज़ फाइन, वट एवर यू फील. जो भी आपको फील हो रहा है सब वैलिड है, इट्स नॉट इनवैलिड. फर्स्ट थिंग, मे बी दिस इज फॉर सम टाइम, आई बी नॉर्मल आफ्टर दिस. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई एम नॉट दैट मच हैप्पी when I used to be in Mumbai, in Pune. I used to go happily, chalo, next day office. That kind of excitement I had. Today I'm just done.